Sprinter vans are as hardworking, family-friendly, versatile, and adventurous as their owners are. But they can tow and haul loads better with the new LoadLifter 5000 from Airlift. Our engineers developed a robust, industry-leading mount to distribute the load across more of the chassis. 5,000 pounds of bolt-on load leveling helps eliminate squat for increased stability and control when carrying or towing heavy loads. And an Airlift patent-pending design providing years of exceptional suspension support. Tow and haul with safety and comfort. Now available at airlift.com/Sprinter.